Hey guys, today I will compare in between DigiKam and Lightroom. Which photo editor is superior in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any of the information. DigiKam, a free and open source editor, has come a long way. It offers powerful photo management tools, including advanced tagging, facial recognition, and geolocation, with support for hundreds of RAW formats, batch processing, and recent AI enhancements. DigiKam has become a serious tool for both hobbyists and professionals, especially those who prefer keeping everything offline and under their control. Then there's Adobe Lightroom, an industry standard for a reason. With its clean user-friendly interface and advanced editing tools, Lightroom makes enhancing photos fast, efficient, and precise. Its cloud integration allows photographers to edit from anywhere and sync their work across devices. And for those working in teams or across platforms, Lightroom fits seamlessly into the wider Adobe ecosystem. So which is better? If you're looking for a no-cost, powerful organizer with deep local control, DigiKam is a strong choice. But if streamlined workflows, professional-grade tools, and cloud convenience are priorities, Lightroom still leads the way. In the end, the best editor isn't just about features, it's about what fits your creative process.